Hi Adventure folks, the Adventure van is ready for another trip. This time it's gonna be surfing, normal surfing, kite surfing. Gonna do a trip along the northern coast of Spain, Portugal, a bit of southern Spain, especially going down to Tarifa. If you like to hear some more, drop a line in the comment box and you're welcome to come with suggestions where to go and so on. Stay tuned, more to come in the following weeks.